get a hell yeah? If you've ever been buzzed on a drop tailgate with the glow of a bonfire burning, can I get an amen? If you've ever howled at the moon under the stars, skinny dipping in a water hole, can I get an alright? Alright. And if you have, then lift your glass, raise them up, and show some love to a better life. Let's all do a shot. If you took your whiskey, throw down a nice cold beer the size of Texas. Buy a round for Oklahoma, give a shout out to both Dakotas and Tennessee. Drop it like it's hot with some fireball down in Louisiana. We'll all toast to sweet home Alabama. Bartender, this one's on me. To say thank you all out there for keeping it country. If you're up at the break of dawn, tilling that land bush, hogging on a John Deere, can I get a yeehaw? If you've ever set your scope on an 8-point buck in a clear wide open.
Bakit na yung atlet mo tumulit?
Ito. Maglakad eh.
Hiking ba? Ito nga, nakamotor, naka-helmet nga. Video mo.
Ayun ito. Mamadapa.
Pagtama lang pa tayong pidaya dito eh. Yung dalawa yung mukha siya.
One more. Wait lang. 1, 2.
I know you're leaving. It's written all over your face. It's deceiving. You're somewhere in another place. Your mind's made up, it's mine, and I'm nowhere to be found. So if you're gonna break me, if you're gonna break me down, 'cause love, yeah, if you're thinking about leaving me on my own, yeah, if your mind's made up and set on go, just give me a head start to try and catch your runaway heart before it hits that road. Maybe just go slow.
I call out your bluff, recognize your poker face, so I doubled down and watched you fall in your mistakes. I hope to God I'm fast enough to do what I need to do. So if you plan to run like hell, can I ask one thing from you? Go slow, yeah, 'cause I'm thinking that I'm better off on my own. 'Cause my mind's made up and set on go. I'll give you a head start, but you ain't catching this runaway heart. So when you hit that road, baby, just go slow.
I know you've had enough of all the stupid things I've done.
And if you're smart, you'll stop right now, 'cause your chances are slim to none.
Go slow,
Yeah, baby, just go.
yeah.
Meron 2 kilometers na lakad papuntang falls. Niloko yung kaibigan ko na Kaya-kaya niyan.
Ayun, kaya ko yung kakapilang.
Oo, ako ng tao. Talaga yan. Uy, sundan mo na. Para pace mo susundin namin.
Po natin. So kung nakikita po yung rice terraces dito, dadaan po tayo mismo doon and then dun sa may po for the
Baby, just go slow. Just go slow. Just go.
Kaya mo yan. Raya, tubig yan, Raya. Mga tubo sa kanan. Tubig yan, tubig.
Pag may open yan, pwede ka uminom yan.
No, pag may butas siya, ba, may naka...
Along the highway lang yan.
Alam ko dun yung sa Ipugaw, yung tuktok, yung summit. Di ba yung nag-wakeboard sila? Parang...
Summit, malapit lang sa summit.
Oo, na huling ganun, di ba?
Oo.
Tapos tinirahan niya po, tapos kinakita yung
Ganda,
Ipugaw.
maganda yung ano dun. Search mo mamaya.
Woo! Rice terraces, oh. Ito yung rice terraces ng Sagada.
Layo pa ng pool.
Yung pool.
Like a new guy on the scene. 'Cause with you on my arm, it's like I'm strutting down the halls like a baller. Everybody's gonna stare, so I'm standing up a little bit taller. You made that double take kind of full star of the show, letting all the people know it doesn't matter who I was, what I've been, 'cause it all just flipped.
Langas! Langas!
Hanggang sa may ano, sa may dulo, may ilalim doon.
Oo.
Walang hangin.
Di gusto ko may hangin eh. Oo. Lamig! Ah, laki na itong pool. Sobrang laki. Ah! Ang lakas. Grabe, laki na itong pool.
Everybody's gonna stare, so I'm standing up a little bit taller.
Thanks, Lord! Ang lakas ng hangin dito. Ang ganda ang angas. Kaso ang lamig sobra. Ah, lamig. Ayoko na. Lamig talaga. Ah, lamig. Lamig. Grabe. 3 minutes lang yun. Ang tagal ko. Basa ako. Ah! Grabe ang hangin doon. Lakas! 3 minutes lang yun. Parang ang tagal ko doon. Ah.